Hello everybody! Today we're back on this world with my secret underground base. You guys know where it is and everything. But see if you can try and spot it if you're just flying over it. Sure, you can see like a dark figure, but would you really know that that's what it is? Okay, maybe you wouldn't if it was in the ocean and you might think it's coral. But yeah, it's kind of easy. It's kind of standout. But today, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, we have this area left undone. And yes, we're nearing the bottom of the end and everything. So, we'll probably have to end up extending it all the way out there, or just mine out a big chunk area. So first, we need yellow stained glass, because that's what it looks like hallways are being made out of. Yellow stained glass. And I think we'll just go ahead and extend it a little bit more. Or no, it's already extended enough. We'll have the room now. So we're going to make an anvil room, and since anvils are kind of on the darker side, we'll probably use netherite as the wall and everything. So let's get started. And it'll be a small room. Also, kind of sounds like an anvil netherite. So we'll go ahead and build this area. Out. You know, I think this may be a good size actually. Obviously, we're gonna make the floor bigger and everything, and add more details to the walls and stuff. Otherwise, water might get in, and that's what we don't. We want to be able to live in this world in survival mode without any water breathing or anything like that. I don't know why I don't have any sponges on me. Because that's the key block in this house, in this house, a sponge. Right? The key block is the sponge, because the sponge will dry up all the blocks. We're currently right underneath our hallway of fame, I think. I think that's what that... No, that's what that room is. This room... I think that's the enchanting room. I'm not entirely sure. But I'm not breaking in, because then water will get in, and that's not what we want to happen. And then we have to come in here to finish this off. Yes, this is an indeed small room. It's quite small, which is why I'm gonna make a window. You know, let's make it one farther out actually, guys. All that stuff broken, and it just feels too small. we'll have a window there. And there. I'm liking those. And then we'll have the sea lantern up top. Place a sponge. Sponge. And I think that's all the water in here. Yeah. So that room's all done. Let me make it a bit brighter over there and there. There's too many sea lanterns, just like this. And then we need anvils. I think this house is way bigger than it needs to be. Here's what we're gonna do. One anvil there, and another one. I forgot they fall. So hold on, it's just so satisfying seeing them fall like that, I guess. So we'll have it like this. Still works. Yeah, so this is what we'll have it like, I guess. And then we'll have another one. That almost crushed me. That one did crush me. I would be suffocating if I went survival mode. So we'll probably have one go there. Perfect. We'll probably have one go there. There. Oh, no, not there. There. Perfect. Now there's a bunch of anvils everywhere. Oh, good to go. So that's the anvil room. I just want to show you guys. Yeah, this is the enchanting room. We're right into those rooms. So here's the house and everything. Is it nighttime? I can't tell. Let's find out. Daylight's always on. It's just okay. So let's see here. Burp, 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 bang. Yeah, that's nice. There's actually a lot of, there's iron right over there. Yo, guys, you could have iron tools right off the bat here. Like, let me just check how much iron is here. Oh yeah, you get iron tools right off the bat in this Minecraft world. So, and then as soon as you get those iron tools, you could get gold. And this is a nice Minecraft world here. Yo, look at this. There's an actual floating block. Oh! Hold on. I need to get on a block. Wait. Hold on. I don't care, guys. So let's just do something really quickly. the dirt block. Hold on. Bow down to the dirt block. Bow to the dirt block. Bow to the dirt block. Yes. I like how I'm not really on the block. Guys, I'm not really on that block, so if I would have just uncrouched and then just touched the forward button, I'd fall. So yeah. But if you're flying like, let's say this high up, you would just see like a figure there. You wouldn't know what it is. So it is definitely hidden. Like if you're not looking for it, then you would never see it. But we're looking for it. I like how if you go down, how I was here, and then if you went down, you would be touching water. Look at how fast you run on water. It's like boating on ice. It's just easier to control. Trust me, you don't fly that fast. Well, guys, going to creative and going to world like this, it's sick. This is the episode, my Anvil Room. Bye. Wait, no, that's the wrong button.